Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use dmail, which is the first Web 3.0 mailbox. Now basically what this is, it's an email service, but instead of logging in with something like Gmail or Outlook, you just connect your Web3 wallet. So think MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, something like that. Now why would you want to use dmail instead of regular Gmail? Well, for starters, all of the messages are actually on-chain, and it's an encrypted decentralized service. Now, every time you send a message through dmail, since it's an on-chain product, you're gonna have to pay a transaction fee for doing that. But if you're doing that on layer 2 networks, the fee will only be a few cents. And the benefits of using dmail is that you get to own your own email inbox because it's associated with your crypto wallet. So once you connect a crypto wallet to their application, then your crypto wallet is your email address or dmail address. And also by using dmail and sending messages on many of the different Ethereum layer 2 networks, you will be establishing a transaction history that could potentially be something that helps you qualify for airdrops. So if you're trying to farm the ZK Sync airdrop or the Scroll Network airdrop or the Linear network, you can use dmail to send messages to people on all of those different networks, and every time you send a message for a few cents, it creates a new on-chain transaction that could potentially help you get a larger airdrop. So the way it works is once you navigate to the application, you connect your Web3 wallet. In this case, I'm using MetaMask. You sign a message to sign in, and that's it. And this is what the inbox looks like. Now, up here where you've connected your wallet, you can see that you will be able to change the network that you're on by selecting in this drop-down menu. So you can send messages to people on the Ethereum mainnet, but those will be pretty expensive. However, the layer 2 networks will be significantly cheaper. So let's say I wanted to send someone a message on the Scroll network because I want to qualify for a Scroll airdrop. Well, I would simply select the network that I want to send messages on, switch in my wallet, and then the user interface is very similar to any of the email applications that you would already for sure know how to use. So you would just hit compose a message here and select who you want to send the message to. In this case, I only have one address in my inbox, so let's just send it to the dmail team for fun, and then set the subject as test, write test, and then hit send. Now when you hit the send button, your wallet is going to pop up asking you to confirm the transaction. And like I said, each email is going to cost a couple of cents. In this case, it's going to cost me 2 cents to send this message. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm that in my wallet, and the message will send. So there you go, my email has been sent. It shows up now in the sent messages folder, and that means I have completed another on-chain transaction on the Scroll network. And when you're sending messages to people, you can just copy and paste wallet addresses right here in the search bar. So for example, Olympio.eth is one of the popular airdrop farming Twitter personalities, and I can send a message because I know that his public wallet address is Olympio.eth. So we can send a message just saying hi on the Scroll network, hit send, and then confirm another transaction in the wallet. So that message has successfully been sent. And now if I go to compose a new message, I have another address that I can send to. So when you send or receive messages to people, they will automatically pop up on the right-hand side here, allowing you to easily select them as your contacts. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You can send messages to basically any public wallet address, and every time you do so, you will establish your on-chain transaction history. Of course, you can do this on all of these different networks. So any of these networks that haven't yet released a token would be good bets, and every once in a while you could come back to dmail and just send a message or two to continue establishing that transaction history. Now, of course, there's other reasons why you might want to use dmail practically, but I think at this point, unless you have a large network that's already very crypto savvy, the main thing you would probably be doing with this is just trying to farm airdrops, basically. But of course, maybe you're actually in the crypto community and you have a lot of people that you know that are interested in having this double-ended encrypted messaging service that is on-chain. So in those cases, you might actually be using it more so for the purposes that I'm sure it was intended. But it's very simple, easy to use. All you do is connect your wallet and you can send messages. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.